Hi loves, I wanted to welcome you back to my channel. I'm Halicia, but I go by Lee, and in today's video I'm actually going to show you guys my bridal trial. As you know, like, the coronavirus is pretty much taking over and it's affecting a lot of our lives, and it affected us to the point where we had to postpone our wedding. So today is actually our original wedding date, and I did record my bridal trial because my best friend Kenvi is actually doing my makeup for our wedding. So the trial that we did, we recorded it, so I figured kind of today, like in commemoration, I would just show you guys what my bridal trial looks like. You can let me know what you think. Let me know if I should change anything, because now I have a ton of time before we make it to our kind of postponed wedding date. Not kind of, but it's our postponed wedding date. So we can get into it. We're gonna kind of like speed through it, and I will leave links to the products below if you're interested in checking them out. If you do purchase them, then I do receive a very, very small commission off of it, and I would greatly appreciate it. So that's all. Let's go ahead and get started with my bridal trial. Make sure that you guys subscribe and like for weekly uploads, because I'm gonna have them coming. Sis, please, please, please stay safe, follow the rules so that we can get through this swiftly. That's the goal. Yes, I'm in love, so deep in love, so deep in love, so deep in love, so deep in love, so deep
Really, nigga?
So loves, thank you so much. I really hope that you guys enjoy kind of like my sped through bridal trial with Naturally Kenvi. I will also leave her information down below if you want to kind of like see the work that she does. She real cute or whatever. I will definitely leave that linked along with all of my social media links below and my like to know it if you kind of want to shop my style, because I will have a spring try on haul coming very soon. So check out all of those links down below. I love you and I will see you in my next video. Bye.